how to create this type of effect using CapCut. So come with me guys, let's go. First, make sure you keep your phone on a tripod or anything stable while videoing. Then secondly, wrap a green cloth around your arm just like mine so it can be edited out later. The next step, film your hand moving inside the phone's camera view so the entire motion is captured. Keep it steady and smooth so that the footage can be easy to work with during editing. After that, then head over to CapCut and import your videos. After importing your videos, scroll through the timeline until you find an empty frame, and once you have located it, go to freeze so that you can lock it and use it as your background. Then click on freeze, and once you are done, make sure you stretch it to have the same length with your main video. Next, add your main video as an overlay on top of the frozen frame so it appears above the background. Then drag the overlay video until it matches the background, making sure both layers are aligned correctly. The next step, select the overlay video and go to remove background. Click on it and click on custom remover. Then start to brush out your hand, making sure that the remover ends in the green cloth so that the background stays clean. While this is loading, let's double check our layers and settings. Everything has to be in place before we move on. When doing this, make sure you check each frame for alignment. Drag the background carefully to align with the overlay video. Then once you are done, go back to the beginning of your video and see what you have created so far. And this is what your video looks like, and you can also switch it to big screen to make sure everything is in place, right? Once you are done, then you can add sound and text and any other thing you want to add and export your video. And once you export your videos should look like this. If you find this video helpful, click on the follow button to see more videos like this.